Wait, don't leave yet. This message is for you if you're not subscribed. Please subscribe now because honestly it'd make my day really happy. Thank you all for such a good 2021. It was really hard. We fought the virus back then. 2021 was worse than 2020, but though I like the year still because many things happened on this channel, but it was really hard for me. And I can't make too much update videos, so sorry about that, guys. I just want to let you know what was really going on. But anyways, guys, happy 2022 now. Sorry this video is really delayed. This video was supposed to be uploaded last week, but due to me being on holiday, I wasn't able to upload this because I was in a rush. Thank you all for such a good 2021. It was really such a good year for all of us. And yeah, more years to come, guys. Also, shout out to all my subscribers that have been subscribed for a long time. It's been really helpful. And yeah, see you guys, subscribe, and peace.